Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to present about seedless fruit. Seedless fruits, which have been around for a long time, exist in the wild and can also be created by humans. Identify the process of forming seedless fruit and describe the process, and explain the consequence of this process to agriculture and mankind. We are from group 20, and this is our team members. So the first one is me, Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Isa. My matrix number is 2022450666. Next, we got Muhammad Ahmad Haikal bin Muhammad Khalis, and the matrix number is 2022811464. Next, Muhammad Hide bin Marudin. The matrix number is 2022820056. And the last but not least, we got Muhammad Daniel Aiman bin Raslan, which his matrix number is 2022812342. So here are our contents. So first, we're going to explain about the introduction. Second, types of parthenocarpy. Third, formation process parthenocarpy. Fourth, natural occurrence versus human intervention. 5. Agricultural impact. 6. Human impact. And the last one is conclusion. So let's start our presentation with introduction. All seedless fruit fall under a general category called parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is a Greek word meaning virgin fruit. This is a situation where fruit develops without fertilization of the ovule, the part of the flower that when fertilized develops into a seed. In these plants, pollination may or may not be necessary to trigger hormone production to stimulate the ovary wall to swell and form fruit. However, fertilization and seed development do not occur, and there are no seed traces or seed remnants. In some cases, fruit development can be stimulated in the absence of pollen through external hormone application. This seedlessness is present in some varieties of cucumbers, persimmons, grapes, citrus, pineapples, and others. This type of seedlessness often produce smaller fruit than their seeded counterparts. So, this is some fun facts that we found. They're called seedless because they don't have any pits or seeds. These fruits are also called freestone, which is fruit because the flesh separates because of easily from the segments, leaving no seed behind. By removing the seeds entirely, seedless citrus is easier to peel, hence more popular with people who eat them raw. So I will pass it to my friend.
We move on the type of parthenocarpy. We have three types of parthenocarpy. The first one is vegetative parthenocarpy. This kind of parthenocarpy occurs without pollination, which prevents seed from waiting from producing seeds. Pears and fig are two examples of fruit that have it. Second one is stimulative parthenocarpy. Pollination is not necessary for this to occur, but an external stimulant is used. This can include the extension of webs ovipositor into a flower, a vary of the use of plant growth regulators in unisexual flowers that are visible inside the syconium. For the third one is stenospermocarpy. This is a special kind of parthenocarpy in which the seed develops and undergoes fertilization, but ultimately fails to fertilize. Within the fruit, there is a trace of a seed that indicates the point at which seed develops topper. This kind of parthenocarpy is present in watermelons and grape without seeds. There are a few benefits of parthenocarpy. It produces seedless, freshly fruit, reduce the cost of cultivation. It helps in increase in crop yield with the use of pesticides. Natural plant growth regulators are used which help in the production of larger fruits. The last one is reduce the usage of chemical pesticide to prevent attack from harmful insects. Cucumber fruit does include structures that resemble seeds, but these structures are devoid of an embryo and endosperm. For example, cucumber, tomatoes, figs, oranges, grapes, kiwi, blackberries, pepper, banana, pineapple, and etc. That's all from me. Thank you.
Human intervention. Fruits without seed can have two different conditions. Stenospermocalphy, when pollination and fertilization leads the ovaries to develop by the ovary or embryo about before producing a fruit seed. And parthenocarpy, syncytio, in which the ovary develop without fertilization. Growers has been producing fruits without seed for thousands of years by taking advantage of spontaneous mutation. More recently, breeding and chemical treatment have made it possible to alter normal soil plants. Agriculture impact, advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, it is incredibly well liked by gardeners when making jam, sauce, and fruit drinks. Seedless fruits and are bitter. The fleshy portion of fruits is also increased by the process. Moreover, the method enables a farmer to protect crops from pests and insects without the need for pesticide. Plants can be covered to keep harmful insects from attacking the crops because pollination insects are not necessary. Disadvantage, this is also possible to chemically induce parthenocarpy, which is detrimental to the plant and reduce fruit yield. For instance, early application of photohormones like auxin prior to the onset of flowering or the edges can harm the flower, resulting in fruit drop and seed abortion.
Okay, next I will explain about human impact. Firstly, improve fruit quality. Consumers benefit from consistently high quality fruits, providing a more enjoyable and predictable eating experience. Secondly, reduce reliance on pollinators. Ensuring fruit production without heavy dependence on pollinators contributes to stable fruit supply, minimizing the impact of pollinator-related challenge on agriculture. Thirdly, extended growing seasons. Consumers can access a more diverse range of fruits throughout the year, contributing to a varied and balanced diet. Okay, next I will explain the last part of presentation, which is conclusion. In summary, parthenocarpy, the process of creating seedless fruit, illustrates a careful balancing act between innovation and its ensuing effects on agriculture and humanity. On the one hand, this phenomenon has resulted in better market appeal, higher crop yields, and more efficient use of agriculture resources. However, the consequences for humanity are enormous, including easier access to nutrient-dense crops, increased consumer convenience, and financial advantage for farmers and associated business. The combination of human inventiveness and the wonders of nature make it clear that sustainable and responsible behavior are essential. By striking this balance, we can make sure that our quest for seedless fruits is in line with ethical principles, environmental management, and the long-term viability of farming methods and international societies. A peaceful coexistence between humans and the natural environment must be fostered as we go from seedless fruit to a sustainable and prosperous future. Okay. Thank you.